this is xcube. In this video, we will be seeing Yusheng does 3.47 3x3 world record single. Now let's go to the scramble. So this was the scramble. He did a double X cross with red for the cross. So now let's see the solution. So first he saw that the edges were here and here. Two are already solved and he has two pairs here which he made into a double X cross. So he inserted blue like this, which takes out this pair and also this one. He does this. So he can normally insert this is like this, but he doesn't want to break the pair. So he does F prime and inserts it. He also inserts this F12 pair before doing L prime. So he solves two pairs with the cross. So he has an easy insert here which he solves quickly. Then he saw these two pairs, these two, and solved them. So here he got an easy OLLCP case. OLCP is solving the OLL while permutating the corners. So he did that. Then just AF. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos.